Hello everyone. My name is Prankit and I'm a data analyst working in a company called Michelin. It's a tire manufacturing company. Talking about today's session, thank you very much for. I got to know last week about this session actually from Zaveri sir itself actually. I read a lot of books actually and a lot of self-help books which today's younger generation do read a lot. Recently I'm reading a book called Law of Success by Napoleon Hill, and it talks about a lot of about the Google settings and how to improve our life and all. But I always feel a disconnect, like why just putting an affirmation or writing a goals can help me to achieve that particular thing which I want to do. Today's session actually helped me out that how our culture is so great, and we are reading a lot of foreign authors' book, but not our teachers who are actually teaching us in a practical way. So using colors, using goal setting, affirmations, and breathing can help us to reach our goals automatically. And this is what my takeaway today. I love to experiment with the colors, the breathing technique, and the goals together. That how I can actually achieve my goals. So that's the key takeaway for me for today. Thank you very much for this, because this is so organized. Like I have reading in bits and pieces, but today I get a manual that how I can reach to that thing actually. Thank you very much.